What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. As y'all can see from the thumbnail, I got a special one for y'all. Let me introduce myself though. For those who don't know, I am Steven, also known as Sneakerhead Steve. I'm super excited about this release. I'm not gonna even hold y'all with a long speech. I want to invite y'all to like and subscribe to the channel. I got a bunch of heat coming. As you can see, I got something in my hands right now for the sneakerheads who know. So go ahead and just come on over. It don't cost you nothing to hit the subscribe button. So join the team. But let's go ahead and get into the shoe. I got some stuff I gotta do. I actually just got off work. I got some stuff I gotta do tonight, so I'm not gonna hold y'all. Quick short review. Super excited about this release. I hit on the SNKRS app for the second time, and I feel so lucky. I don't know how I did it. I was actually late to the SNKRS app raffle. For those who did join or into the raffle, you know, it was 10 minutes. I got in 5 minutes when it was like 5 minutes left. And I just knew I took an L. I wouldn't even trip no more, because I was like, all right, if I don't get in right when it started, I don't have no chance. So I entered in, forgot I entered in. My girlfriend texted me and she entered. She was like, I didn't get them. So I went and checked my phone and I saw that confirmation. I was like, what? And I checked my bank account and I saw that they deducted from Nike. Hype, I was super hype. As you know, this is a collaboration from Virgil Abloh and Off-White. This is his second Jordan Retro for Off-White. He has some other Off-White shoes that he released through Nike, but this is his second Jordan Retro. The first one was the Air Jordan 1. This is the Air Jordan 5. Super happy about it. I can tell y'all off tops, I'm not selling. I don't need the money. I mean, if it goes up super high, I probably will sell, but for right now, I'm holding on to these. I can actually see myself wearing them. But let's go ahead and get into the box. Let's get into the whole thing. Let me scoot up for y'all. As you can see, Swiss cheese holes all in the box here. Jordan 5 box. Let me zoom in for y'all. Can y'all see that size tag? Personal pair, size 11. Color code is black, fire red, and muslin. Air Jordan 5 Retro SP. I don't know how I hit. I'm still kind of surprised that I hit, but let's get into it. Bam, I'm trying to stay in focus so y'all can see me. But y'all don't need to see me. I just want to see the shoes. It comes with your plastic wrap. On the plastic, instead of the papers, on the plastic it says Off 2020 Off-White trademark, and it got some other stuff on it. Y'all don't care about that, but I do, because I won and I'm super happy still. That Jumpman on the shoe. Bam, can y'all see? Let's take this out. Let me just get into the shoe, because y'all like, hurry up, we don't care. Bam, take these bad boys out. The Air Jordan 5 Off-White for Virgil Abloh. I'm so happy that I won. These are going for like $800 for resale right now. People selling them. I don't blame y'all. If y'all want that money, sell it. I feel like these will go up. These will go up because, like I said, it's the second Jordan retro that Virgil has done. So, you know, these gonna hold some value. Damn, look at that pre-yellowed sole. Normally, I hate a yellow sole, but it kind of matches. You know, the gray and yellow kind of matches. I could probably pull off a Steelers jersey with this. Get a pair of Spurs shorts or something like that. Look at that red Jumpman in there. That Nike at the bottom. Bam, got that Nike branding. You can see through there. Let me take the other one out. As you know, it comes with a pair of red laces and cream laces and black in the inside. Got the little famous hang tag there. Probably keep that on as well. Shoelaces that actually say shoelace. And this is just a nice shoe. And I mean, I'm not a hype beast. I don't really care about that. I like what I like. Where's the one that got the hole on the tongue? Oh, it's this one here. Got the hole on the tongue. But it's just a nice shoe, you know? Like I said, I don't knock nobody who wants to sell and make their little money, but I don't need it at the moment. You know, I would love to have it if it goes up. You know, like I said, like the Jordan 1s that he released, those like the Chicago's are going for like $3,500 maybe in my size, and size 11. So like I said, if they go up to like that and I don't wear them, then I probably will sell. Because I mean, hey, you know, that's 3 bands. But as of right now, I like this shoe. And it's one of those things where when you finally hit on the sneakers app, you want to hold on to it, because it's rare that it happens. So I was one of the lucky ones who hit, and it was crazy because that night before I was just talking bad about Nike in Chicago. I'm like, I was hating. I was mad because Chicago get all the releases. Living in Missouri and Kansas City, we hardly get nothing. We don't have no sneaker boutiques or nothing like that. All we got is Champs, Foot Locker, Foot Action, and Finish Line, and they don't ever get nothing. So when I hit on that sneakers app, I was super happy, but they probably heard me through my microphone talking bad about them, about how they never make it fair for everybody else. But hey, whatever it was, I won. See that lace lock there, kind of that clear lace lock, and it has the red one on the inside too. Oh man, like I said, I'm hyped. Let me know what y'all think. Is this shoe ugly? Am I going overboard? Like I said, I feel like it's decent, got that exposed foam right there. It's not covered up how it's supposed to be. I like it. Nike Air on the back. Like I said, that pre-yellow sole, it works. It works. Virgil, he has, he got some design skills. A lot of his stuff be overpriced, but when it comes to the shoes, he got some design skills. It's different. It's different. All of them ain't right, but all of them ain't cool. But for the most part, the Jordan ones be good. So, bam. These are the Air Jordan 5 Off-Whites, special edition. After taxes, I ended up paying like $241. So if I was to sell right now, I know I'm not, but even if I was, that'd be a nice little chunk of change profit. But here they go. I don't know if I'm gonna hit y'all with an on foot just yet. Like you can see, I haven't even unlaced them or anything like that. I'm just still excited that I got them. It took me a minute to get this review up, but let me know what y'all think. I saw a few people were actually lucky on these, but I don't know. I was one of them. If you are interested in getting them, the resale is up right now, but you probably be better off getting them right now because after a while, once everybody get their pairs out, people that are super excited to sell, they're gonna just go up. For the ones who are holding, just like me, they're gonna go up. So I would say probably like in another couple months, these are gonna be back up to the thousands. Before they released, they were already in the thousands. But people started getting them, they start selling them. So now they're kind of cheaper. But this is it. I'm not gonna hold y'all too much longer. I love the shoe. I didn't really review it that much, but hey, I kind of talked about it a little bit. As you can see, it's other reviews on YouTube you can watch as well. But Air Jordan 5 is Air Jordan 5. Nothing really different. Just the colorway here and and the aesthetics that Virgil put on it. Like I said, it's cool. I'm keeping mine, not selling. And that's pretty much it. I probably keep the black laces in too, or I may throw the cream ones in. I like cream. I like the way they look against that gray. But bam, this is it. Look at that 3M Tom. It's nice. This is it though. Let me know what y'all think. Were y'all lucky? Did y'all get them? Yeah. Until the next time, I got some more heat coming too. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel and support your boy. I appreciate it so much for all those who are already subscribed. And until next time, this again is the Air Jordan 5 Off-White. And I'm Sneakerhead Steve. I'm out.